Southern Ontario has a way of making you feel very small, especially when the weather turns. This week we continued west across Ontario, searching for idyllic campsites whilst battling the weather. Despite the rain, we soldiered on and found some beautiful spots along the way.
Quite under the pound yet, but definitely the lowest we've got so far.
What's the difference between clear diesel and dyed diesel?
I don't know, do you want me to Google it?
Why have they got different types of diesel? What is one like red diesel for farmers? Can we like fill up on red diesel? I don't know, man. Should we fill up a jerry can?
That's big talk, that is.
Right, so I brimmed the tank and one of the jerry cans. That was 66 litres of fuel, and it came to exactly $125, which is what? 65 litres for 70 quid. It's not bad.
It's pretty good.
There we go. Anyway, yeah, so we are full.
We're full.
We've got like lots of fuel.
Right, well, let's get cracking then.
Let's go.
How far away are we?
I don't know, man. I don't know why I looked at my watch. Right.
With our tanks topped up, we pointed the Defender west once again. Out here, distance is measured differently. Towns become fewer, roads become longer, and before long, it's just you in an endless forest. For a few hours we followed the road through the wilderness, searching for somewhere to spend the night.
So here is the spot. It's right on the lake, but more importantly than being on the lake, as we came in, look what was all over the ground. Yes. More poo. I am going to assume that that is moose poo, judging by our previous encounters with said poo. So you never know, maybe a moose will come and say hello this evening. Obviously we need to be careful, but we're going to have some lunch because Lily's getting angry because I asked her to get out and film something and then she shouted at me, so we better feed her.
Ignore the fact that Ollie's in his pants, he's just caught his first fish! Oh my god!
It's a pike.
Is it?
Yes.
Where's it gone now?
It's just here. Oh, there you go, it's gone. That was massive. Did you see the size of that?
I did see the size of it, yeah.
Just in my...
That was quite exciting. He's just gone back for another fish. So fingers crossed that we catch another one. Because that was, oh my god, he's caught another one. What the hell? Oh my god! What is it? Jesus Christ, Ollie! You okay?
Yeah.
I saw it though. Ollie seems to think it's the same fish, but that's a pretty stupid fish if it keeps getting caught. But then they do say things happen in threes, so we shall wait and see. It's very exciting though. They're big fish. But didn't you say they're quite aggressive?
I just know a pike from Jeremy Wade, and Jeremy Wade's all, you know, really aggressive fish, so...
He looked angry, but then you know, were trying to eat him, so...
I'm not gonna eat him, I'll go a bit back, honestly.
We're doing speedy cooking because the thunderstorm is imminent and we deemed it too, windy to put the awning out. So we are making the quickest thing I know how to do, which is cheesy rice beans in tortilla wrap, and hopefully we can get it done before the rain starts.
Because it's
exciting.
It's coming. Well, we beat the rain just.
We beat the rain for cooking, but we didn't beat the rain for washing up, so...
Or eating.
Oh.
We didn't have time to pack away our chairs either.
Our poor chairs.
So you can probably still hear the thunder, but you can see the drip, drip, drip. And that's only been like that for, what? How long have we left it there for, Lily? About 20 minutes?
Yeah, not long.
And you can see how bad it's leaking. Oh my days.
Look at the size of it.
That's my hand. Probably my pint.
Yeah, probably.
So we're just going for a quick walk, a little break, up to a fire lookout tower.
It's a little bit windy and rainy.
I think we've just hit the worst of the rain because we were able to see quite far.
Now we're in a cloud. So this is Temagami Fire Lookout Tower. Oh, it's, yeah.
Oh my goodness.
It's really rainy.
We're in the driest corner because it's just coming this way. I mean, I'm sure it's a fantastic view, but we just can't see it at the moment. Well, we can see some of it, but maybe the rain will pass. I don't know.
Pretty cool though. Woo!
Should we go down?
Yeah, let's
Jeez. Wet.
So bad. So we made it back to the car. Ollie's looking a little bit like you've just run through the rain.
Like a wet dog. That's exactly what I've done. Look at the windscreen. We've literally been in the car for like, what? I cannot see. This is what I told you, I need a squeegee.
That Temagami Fire Tower was really cool. And I'm even glad we kind of saw it in the fog because it was quite atmospheric.
Yeah,
not so glad about the rain.
That's what we have to say about everything, because literally everything in the bloody fog.
Oh, lordy lord.
The storms followed us for most of the week along Lake Superior, which led to many cold and many damp mornings. But it gave the landscape a completely different feeling. And eventually, the sun returned long enough for us to dry out and finally catch up on a few jobs on the Defender. Join us next week as we plan and tackle our hardest hike yet, along the shores of Lake Superior, where some steep inclines make for some incredible views. We also encounter some cute wildlife, and Ollie's back underneath the truck, greasing his nipples, again. Thank you for watching and see you next week.